Today, I am going to show you not just how to use clove water for your hair, but also how to drink it. Do you know that drinking clove water can be very beneficial? It can work from the inside out. Hair growth is not only all about what you put on the hair, but also what you ingest. So in today's video, I am going to show you two ways you can use clove to grow out your hair. One is drinking and the other one is applying it on the scalp. If you're interested in using DIY to grow back your hair, then this is a combo you should try out. It is very affordable and super easy to make. Drinking clove water can provide you with antioxidant support, which can help protect the body's cells, including those involved in healthy hair growth. It supports healthy blood circulation, which can help deliver nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicle from the inside. If you have been putting clove on your scalp for a while now and you think the result is not fast enough, you can combine it with drinking and also applying it on your scalp. It also helps your body absorb nutrients needed for healthy hair growth. It contains vital minerals such as manganese, which plays a major role in normal body functions and tissue health. It also helps reduce inflammation from the inside, supporting a healthier environment for your hair to grow. Drinking clove water nourishes your body from the inside. Apart from all the benefits for hair, it also contains numerous benefits for your body and health. Clove water aids digestion. It can help with bloating, gas, and nausea. This is because it stimulates digestive enzymes. The anti-inflammatory properties present in clove water can ease sore throat and mild pain. Some studies have shown that clove water can improve insulin sensitivity. Another amazing benefit of drinking clove water is that it has antimicrobial property, which can fight oral bacteria and freshen your breath. Clove water can also fight free radicals that can cause stress on your scalp. To prepare this clove water for drinking is very easy. All you need to do is to steep some clove in a hot water and it is ready. Put 1 teaspoon of clove in a cup and then pour in some hot water and let it sit for a few hours before you drink it. You don't need much. Just a little clove is more than enough. This water supports healthy blood flow to your hair follicle. It is packed with antioxidants that support healthy hair growth. It equally helps your body absorb the nutrient needed for your hair to grow stronger and thicker. This water ensures that your body is healthy so it can create a healthy hair. It can also reduce shedding by supporting overall wellness. If you're not getting the result you want by just putting it on your scalp, I am here to tell you that you can equally drink it. It is not a must you use hot water to infuse yours. You can just put it in a jar, pour in some water and let it sit overnight. By the following morning, it should be ready for drinking. Before you rush to drink clove water, I need to warn you, if you're on blood thinning medication, do not drink clove water. Also, drinking large doses or too much of clove water can be toxic for your liver. If you have to drink it in small quantity. Do not drink it every day. You can drink it 2 or 3 times weekly. The one I'm going to show you in this video, I didn't finish it. I only took half of it. Also, if you know that you're diabetic and you're on medication, do not take clove water because clove water can drop the blood sugar level too low. You can drink this clove water on an empty stomach or before meal in the morning. The method I use for this video is not the only way to prepare your clove water. You can decide to boil yours. Just put 1 tablespoon of clove into a pot of water and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Like I said, do not drink too much. You can start with half cup of clove water first to see how your body reacts to it. Drinking it too much is not necessary. It will not work faster when you drink it too much. It is just going to increase the risk. Now, let me be truthful to you. Clove water is not going to cure baldness caused by genetics. It doesn't instantly grow out your hair. You have to be consistent and you have to be patient with it. Hair growth depends on many factors, including genetics, including nutrition, hormones, stress level, and your scalp health. It's important that you know that this clove water doesn't replace balanced diets. Having said that, let's prepare the second method. So the second method is the one which everybody know, clove water as a hair growth spray. This method is equally simple. All you need is 2 tablespoons of clove. Put it in a jar or a pot to cook. You can decide to put your clove buds in a jar and infuse it overnight. For this video, I'll be boiling it, which is the faster method. Clove water hairspray is one of the most popular natural hair growth treatments used to support scalp health, encourage stronger and healthier hair. It is made by just soaking or boiling clove water and applying it directly on the scalp and on the hair. Many people use clove on their hair because it helps create a healthier environment for hair growth. What clove water spray does is that it improves blood circulation on your scalp. Clove contains eugenol, which can help stimulate blood circulation when applied on the scalp. This healthy circulation delivers nutrients, oxygen, and minerals to your hair follicle, hereby supporting healthy hair growth. It also helps maintain a healthy scalp. Your hair grows better from a clean and healthy scalp. Clove water can help reduce scalp buildup, reduce itchiness, minimize dandruff like flaking, and keep your scalp feeling fresh. Clove contains powerful antioxidants that can help protect the scalp environment from scalp stressors and free radical damages. Clove ensures that your scalp remains healthy and your hair grows healthier. When the clove water has changed color and has become this deep, you know that your clove water is ready. You don't have to boil it until the color becomes this deep. You can boil it a little and then allow it to infuse by itself. The longer it sits, the deeper the color becomes. Now, if your clove water is like this, it is ready. Put it off and let it cool off before you go ahead and apply it. You can store this water in your refrigerator for as long as 2 weeks. Clove water doesn't get spoiled easily, so even if you don't have refrigerator, you can still store it out. Applying this water on your hair can reduce excessive breakage. This makes your hair softer, easy to manage, and easy to detangle. When your hair breaks less, you retain more length. A healthy scalp combined with proper hair care will result to stronger strands that are less likely to snap or shed prematurely. Clove water can also help reduce itchiness on the scalp, help with dry scalp, and also make your scalp feeling more comfortable. So when you use clove water on your scalp, it supports a healthier scalp environment, which is a foundation for healthy hair growth. It also encourages thicker looking hair by reducing breakage and supporting a healthy scalp, which results to fuller hair over time. Clove water is perfect for refreshing your protective style, just as I'm doing in this video. It is perfect for braid, twists, locks, wig, and weaves. It is natural, it is affordable. You are literally growing your hair on a budget. All it requires is just clove and water. Many people combine clove with rosemary, fenugreek, lemongrass, aloe vera, peppermint for additional scalp benefits. So this is the part where I give you my warning. For those with sensitive scalp, you might experience severe tingling sensation, you might experience burning sensation, you might experience redness or irritation on your scalp. This is for those with sensitive scalp. So if you haven't used clove on your scalp before, please do a patch test before you go ahead and apply it all over your scalp. Because of the nature of clove, it is drying on the natural hair. You have to layer it. After applying the clove water, you have to go in with a leave-in conditioner, then a hair cream, followed by a light oil if you're low porosity. If you want to get the best out of this clove water, use it consistently. Combine it with a protein-rich diet and also moisturize your hair adequately. Follow up with scalp massages. Handle your hair gently and always wear a protective style. After spraying my hair with the clove water, the next step is to condition. You have to use a leave-in conditioner for this. Do not skip this process because clove water is very drying on our natural hair. You don't want your hair to end up breaking, so you have to go in with a leave-in conditioner. If you don't have a leave-in conditioner but you have aloe vera gel, you can use it. If you have flaxseed gel, you can use it. Look for something that has some slip in it, something that can moisturize your strands. When it comes to moisturizing your scalp, be generous with the leave-in conditioner. Also get a very good leave-in conditioner that has water as its basic ingredient. This leave-in conditioner I'm using right here has jojoba oil, has shea butter, and mango butter. It is very light, it doesn't weigh my hair down, and it works really well for my hair. I am not recommending it to you though, because I don't know if your hair will love it. Just use whatever your hair loves, and after moisturizing, ensure that your hair comes back to life. Ensure the product you're using to moisturize is not weighing your hair down. After applying the leave-in conditioner, you can go in with a light butter, not too much. We have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so to be a member of the family, so you'll be one of the first people to see our video when we upload them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.